Unja, a small town in the state of Gujarat, is known as the biggest spices and oilseed market of Asia. The spice city, which is mostly dominated by Kadwa Patidar, is the supplier of spices to many countries. Looking at the need of the time, a young, aspiring and ambitious person, Mr. Bharat Panchal, decided to establish Bharat Panchal Education Private Limited in the city of Unja. He keenly aspired to serve his society. He had a vision which would prove beneficial to the people of the society and make a better future for the younger generation. During his extensive study, he found that Gujaratis were unable to progress much in the foreign lands because of poor knowledge and less confidence in communicating in the English language. Hence, after completing his academics, he started from scratch and pioneered the Bharat Panchal education in 1995.
His institution aimed at rendering the best of facilities for procurement of student visa and immigration visa. He had sown the seeds in the land of Unja, and then the graph increased, and now it has spread to Visnagar, Patan, Mehsana and Palanpur.
The highly qualified and experienced tutors of Bharat Panchal Education Private Limited provide students with knowledge of the exam format, how to approach different question types, and train them in practical exam skills and strategies. After establishing the foundation, he never looked back. In the initial stage, there were just 2 to 3 students, and now the number has crossed 16,800. This success increased his determination, and he decided to go beyond spoken English tutorials. So he started classes of IELTS. Till date, he has imparted training to more than 18,000 students for IELTS.
A man who is committed to serve the requirement of the people in the best possible manners has also shown tremendous dedication and fidelity in his work.
More than 350,000 people have been benefited from his seminars on numerous topics. Our 24 years of experience with a 97% visa success rate, more than 3,000 success stories and 5 offices has made us the only company of North Gujarat to get the highest number of IELTS candidates to achieve excellent results. More than 7,000 6+ band achievers have got expert IELTS tips from Mr. Bharat Panchal. Since the last 8 years, we are gold certified, and that makes us number 1 in North Gujarat.
We take the pre-IELTS test by inviting the best of experts from British Council and IDP for orientation, so that the students can confidently prepare themselves for the main IELTS and can get a better results. We also figure out our weak student and personally groom them to get a better score. We are the only company in the state who takes the pre-IELTS test in the interest of our students.
We provide extensive and exclusive study materials to the students that help them to perceive their ambitions of studying at leading universities and establishing their careers across the globe. We have set that criteria that anyone who has cleared his 10th standard can take up this course. Well, it's a 2.5 months course. Unlike 2 other similar classes, we do not emphasize only the rules of grammar, but we do provide comfortable environment,
up-to-date teaching facilities and world-class infrastructure. All our tutors are experts and hail from well-known institutes like IDP Australia and the British Council.
A positive, dedicated and hard-working team of counsellors provide complete information on student visa, immigration visa, Canada, Australia, US and UK and New Zealand. A complete, honest, dedicated and more systematic systems were laid down for our students to have a visa in the foreign countries.
We help our students to choose the courses best suited interest, aptitude and academic record, which is crucial for ensuring that they make right decisions for their future. We at Bharat Panchal Education Private Limited serve our candidate with utmost dedication and wish each one of them complete success in their future endeavors, because we shape up the life of our students fulfill their dreams and bring a broad smile on their faces.
Our mission is to touch an infinite number of lives, reshape them, and give them a secured future.